Our question is, on the sale of 80 marbles in rupees 75, there is a loss of 10%. What should be selling price of 72 marbles for the gain of 20%? The given options are option A, rupees 120, option B, rupees 105, option C, rupees 90, option D, rupees 75. We solve this question by three different methods, and you will learn how to solve this question by all these three methods, which are conventional as well as shortcut methods. First, it is given that 80 marbles are sold for rupees 75 and there is a loss of 10%. Now we have to find the amount for 72 marbles for profit of 20%. This is very interesting solution. Let the cost price be 100, CP equal to 100. Then earlier there was a loss of 10%. The amount becomes 90. 100 minus 10 is 90. And later there is a profit of 20%. Then the amount becomes 100 plus 20 is 120. This is the ratio of amount. This is equal to 90 upon 120 is 3 upon 4 or 3:4. Now, if amount is in the ratio 3:4, then quantity is, I write amount, then quantity is reciprocal of it, which is 4:3. If we have to convert the loss into profit, then we had to sell an article earlier sold in rupees 90 is to be sold in 120. Then the quantity should reduce from 4 to 3. If we were selling 4 articles, then now we have to sell 3 articles for the same amount for getting the 20% profit instead of 10% loss. Here 4 is equivalent to 80 pieces or 80 articles or 80 marbles. Then what should be the value of 3? 3 should be equal to 60, as 4 is equal to 80 marbles. Then 3 is equal to 60 marbles. If we sell 60 marbles in rupees 75, then we are going to make the profit of 20% in place of 80 marbles. Now it is very easy. We have to find the cost of 72 marbles. 60 marbles we have to sell in rupees 75. Then we have to find the value of 72 marbles. This is equal to 75 into 72 divided by 60. 12 cancels 60 for 5 times and 72 for 6 times. And 5 cancels 75 for 15 times. So this is equal to 15 times 6 is rupees 90. And from the given options, our answer is option C. This was one method. Now we will solve this question by another method. That is again a shortcut method. If our CP is say 100, then for 10% loss we were selling the things in 90. And for 20% profit we have to sell it in 120. 100 plus 20 is 120. It is given that the 90% is equal to rupees 75, as we were incurring the loss of 10% when we were selling in rupees 75. For profit of 20%, we have to sell it 120. Then what should be the value of 120? When 90% is equivalent to 75 rupees, then what should be the value of 120%? 120% should be equal to rupees 100, as 90 and 120 are in the ratio 3:4. If 3 is equal to 75, then 4 should be equal to 100. This is the simple thing we can find. Thus 120% equal to rupees 100. Now, earlier we were selling 80 marbles in rupees 75 and we were incurring loss of 10%. Now for 20% profit, we should sell 80 marbles in rupees 100. Therefore, what should be the cost of 72 marbles? It is equal to 100 multiplied by 72 divided by 80. 20 divides 80 for 4 times and 100 for 5 times, and 4 divides 72 for 18 times. So this is equal to 18 times 5 is rupees 90. Thus, the amount of 72 marbles should be rupees 90 for gain of 20%. And from the given option, our answer is option C. We solve this question by one more method using a shortcut formula. We solve this question by the formula N1 upon A1 into 100 plus R1 equal to N2 upon A2 into 100 plus R2. Here N1 is number of articles sold in amount A1 with a profit of R1% and N2 is number of articles sold in amount A2 with R2% profit. Here we put the values as per this question. Here N1 is given to us is 80 marbles. Number of articles is 80 marbles. So we write it 80 and it was sold in amount rupees 75 into 100. Here R1 is 10% loss. As it is loss, we will put it as minus. So this is 100 minus 10 equal to N2 is given to us is 72 marbles. And for that we have to find the amount A2. So we write A2 into 100 plus 20% as we have to sell the 72 marbles in amount A2 for gain of 20% profit. So we write it as plus 20 as it is profit. Now we solve it for A2. This is equal to 80 over 75 multiplied by 100 minus 10 is 90. This is equal to 72 over A2 into 100 plus 20 is 120. 20 cancels 80 for 4 times and 120 for 6 times. 15 cancels 90 for 6 times and 75 for 5 times. 6 on left hand side is cancelled with 6 of right hand side. 4 cancels 72 for 18 times. Now by cross multiplication, A2 equal to 18 times 5 is 90. That is A2 equal to rupees 90. And from the given options, our answer is option C. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.